Stacy from Peony Lane Designs, and today I'm going to go junking. So I have a little bit of time before a doctor's appointment, and I am going to hit a thrift store I don't typically get a chance to go to. Sometimes they have some good things, most of the time they don't. And then there's a second thrift store, and their prices are a little bit higher than normal, so I don't typically go to them. But it's worth stopping in just to see if they're, for once in a while you can score a treasure. Let's see. Okay, so not a huge score at the overpriced store, but it was worth the trip. I did find some packing material for $1.50. It's an inflated pack, which will be nice to have for Etsy sales. It's starting to rain. I also found these little guys, which are fun to have. I'm doing a pop-up sale. These make great displays for vintage brooches and stuff. I'm sure you've seen that on Pinterest online. And surprisingly, they had a little Christmas ornament, and it's not even close to Christmas. Normally you don't find that, so I think it got in with some craft stuff, and I was looking for the craft stuff, and they didn't know it was in there, so it was super cute, and I bought it, and they only had 50 cents on it, and I'm looking for Christmas, so let's see what else I can find. So even though that one store is a little overpriced, it was totally worth going for those small items. Plus, they gave me a coupon for their Labor Day sale, and the $5 that I spent there was enough to fill up my frequent buyer card, and that's another $10 off. So that's a $10 coupon and a $10 frequent buyer bucks, and I think that's off of, usually their coupons are $10 off of $30, so I'll be getting $20 off a $30 purchase over Labor Day. So it's totally worth it for me that I spent that $5, because now I've got $20 to spend, and I'll only actually, come out with $30 worth of stuff and only have to pay $10 out of pocket. So it's absolutely worth it for me. Yeah, awesome. They're a little overpriced, but sometimes they have really great pieces. I did spot some mirrors in there that I was like, oh, there's really cool gold mirrors that if I do the dry brushing on, they sell really well. But they wanted $27 for it, and it's like, it's all about profit when you're doing. A lot of times, though, they'll give you a discount as well for donating, and that's a nice little pro tip. If you're planning on doing this and you're going to thrift stores, find out which thrift stores give you coupons for donating. Quite a few of them will, so if you bring in your kids' old toys or clothes or items that you're not going to use in your business, then they will give you a discount for money off of the stuff that you are buying for sale. So it's nice to keep a small box of things you can donate in the back of your car, so that if you're out and about, that's another pro tip. Keep a small item or small box of donatable goods with you at all times, because sometimes I'm in areas that I'm not familiar with, and I hit a new thrift store and they'll have a sign that says save 20% if you donate, or save 30%. Some of them go as high as 40%, I've seen, and hell yeah, I'll donate. Get 40% off. It's a nice little way to make sure that you keep your profit margins high. So, keep a box, donate, put it back into the recycling system. Huge score at the other thrift store. I found Godinger Ironstone for 50 cents. Yep, going on Etsy. Yep, that's out the door. 2 pieces of Ironstone, both of them were 50 cents. And then I found a ton of fall decor items. So that's gonna help fill out that holiday boutique that I'm putting together in October. A lot of fall pumpkin things, and they had fall leaf stuff out, like leaf dishes. I'll do a little haul photo so you can see what I got. But it was awesome because they were only 50 cents a piece, and I got just some decorative pumpkin, like a glittery one that, it's just to make it feel fall in the booth. It has nothing to do with making a profit on that one, but when you're just putting in decorative items just to make the space look Halloweeny or very fall, or you don't want to spend a lot of money on your display pieces, so it was really nice to get that for 50 cents. And I got a couple other cute little pieces that will be great for Christmas. There was a set of 4 candle holders in red, which, you know, you can put them out for fall, but I think they'd be great for Christmas. And I'll show you a picture of what I got because it was quite a score. Thanks everyone for watching. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to click the subscribe link. I am running a 1,000 subscriber challenge, so if I get 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year, I am giving away a $100 Target gift card. $100. You can't beat that. And 2 quarts of Bungalow 47 paint, which retail value on those is like $35 each, and then a bunch of pretty brushes and maybe some other little items that surprises in there. So you're going to want to get entered for that, but you can only be entered if you subscribe. So click the subscribe link and then click the bell icon so you're notified of future videos. I have a bunch of DIY tutorials coming up, and of course some more junkin' that the Junkin' Buddy will be back with me. So make sure you subscribe to the channel. Thanks everyone. Happy junkin'! Visit my blog, peonylanedesigns.com, for more tips, tricks, and inspiration. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so you'll be notified of new videos. I post every week DIY tutorials and, of course, more junkin' videos.